If you want to start using Sellfy, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up PayPal with your Sellfy account. So first, go to sellfy.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, sign up and create your Sellfy store. So once you are on the Sellfy dashboard, navigate to the settings section on the left side and then click the payment options. And scroll down, you will see here the PayPal. So click the connect with PayPal button and it will redirect you to the login page. And in here, you'll need to input your email and password in order to connect with PayPal. So after that, just simply click the next button and then log in and allow Sellfy to connect to your PayPal account by granting the required permissions. So once connected, you'll be redirected back to your Sellfy dashboard and PayPal will be listed as an active payment option. So to test the payment setup, this is optional. To ensure everything is working correctly, try making a test purchase from your store using PayPal. And then check that the payment goes through and that you receive a notification from PayPal. And that's it. That's how you set up PayPal with Sellfy. Now you're ready to start selling your digital or physical products with a secure and trusted payment method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.